Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC Insert Math. In today's video, let us learn the section 10.5 Nature of Roots and also let us solve an example based on this topic from chapter 10 Quadratic Equations. In my previous videos, I've solved the examples and the problems from exercise 10.3. If you have not watched these videos, please find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So before we begin our video today, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC Insert Math. Section 10.5 Nature of Roots from chapter 10 Quadratic Equation. This is the last section of this chapter quadratic equation. So we will study here the nature of roots, or what kind of roots do we obtain from a given quadratic equation. The different kinds of roots obtained for a given quadratic equation, this I have already explained in my video when we did the derivation and explanation of the quadratic formula. So let us go through again the nature of roots. The roots of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, are given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this is the quadratic formula which we have already learned. By using this formula, we can determine the roots for a given quadratic equation. Now, if you see this b square minus 4ac, depending upon this value b square minus 4ac, you will come to know what kind of roots or the nature of a roots for a given quadratic equation. So the first condition is when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. When we substitute the a, b and c value in this b square minus 4ac and we obtain a value which is greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. Okay, distinct means different. You will obtain two different or distinct real roots. Like in this quadratic formula, for the first root, we will take the plus sign here, that is minus b by 2a plus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and for the second root we will take the minus sign here. So that will be x is equal to minus b by 2a minus of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is how we are going to obtain the roots when the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. For the second condition, when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we will get two equal or same roots. Okay, see here, when this b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, in this quadratic formula, this part becomes 0. So we are just left with minus b by 2a and this part becomes 0. So that is, we will obtain the same roots, that is x is equal to minus b by 2a and x is equal to minus b by 2a. So the roots will be equal and same when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The third condition is when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, when b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, then it will be a negative number, right? Any negative number, we cannot take the square root sign. Okay, for example, if we obtain the value of b square minus 4ac as minus 9, we cannot take a square root of minus 9. So this will become some imaginary value. Therefore, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there are no real numbers whose square is b square minus 4ac. So therefore, there are no real roots for the given quadratic equation in this case. When b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we will obtain no real roots for such a kind of a quadratic equation. Now, since b square minus 4ac value determines whether the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, has real roots or not, b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this quadratic equation. Okay, since b square minus 4ac in the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is a quadratic formula. So since this b square minus 4ac value determines whether the quadratic equation has real roots or not, so b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, which determines whether the roots are real or not. So a quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and two equal roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and there are no real roots if the b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So these are the three cases in which we can find out the nature of roots for a given quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I hope you have understood what this discriminant or the value of b square minus 4ac is. Now let us solve certain examples on this topic. So example number 16 from quadratic equation chapter 10. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, and hence find the nature of its roots. So here we have to find out the a, b and c value for this given quadratic equation, comparing with the standard form of the quadratic equation. Then after you obtain the a, b and c value, we can find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and depending upon the value of b square minus 4ac, then we can say that what kind of a nature obtained roots are. So the given equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is standard form of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if you compare the given equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation, we can find out the a, b and c value, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is equal to 2, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 4, and c is the constant, that is plus 3. Now let us write down what is the discriminant given by. So discriminant is given by b square minus 4ac. Now depending on this, the b square minus 4ac, we can find out the nature of the root. So let us substitute the a, b and c value in this discriminant. So b square is minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c is 3. So minus 4 the whole square will be 4 4s are 16, then minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So here we obtain the discriminant as minus 8, that is 16 minus 24 will be minus 8, since the greater number is minus 24 here. So discriminant is negative, which means it is less than 0. So since b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we can say that therefore the given equation has no real roots. Therefore the given equation has no real roots. Okay, so this is how we can find out the nature of roots of any given quadratic equation. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example number 17 from chapter 10 quadratic equations. So till then, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.